Hi there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Remax Boone Realty in Columbia, Missouri. And today's seller's tip is pretty straightforward. Price your home right from the start. So, pricing your home in a dynamically changing all the time crazy market can be difficult, especially in a low inventory market where there's not a lot of comps to support your price or really any price. So, do the work, find the nerdiest agent possible, and have them price your home. Find someone who's not just going to show you three houses that are somewhat similar and say, well, it's an average of these three, but someone who's going to come with a ridiculous amount of statistics and show you exactly why your home should be priced where it's priced, and then challenge them on it and make them show you more data. Data. Anyways, price your own home correctly from the first moment that it hits the market so that you're not doing price reductions and you're not sitting on the market longer than you need to. Also, price it with a strategy that is in accordance with the market at that exact moment that it's going to hit. All right, thanks. Bye.